Good morning, boys and girls. Envision Math. All right, let's read what this is saying here. Home activity. Play 10 and some more. Hold up all 10 of your fingers. Ask your child to hold up the number of additional fingers needed to make 13 fingers in all. Repeat with other fingers from 11 through 19. So what this means is that you work with your child. So this is for the parent to work with the child. Ask the child to hold up 10 fingers. That means both hands. The left hand has 5 fingers. The right hand has 5 fingers. So when they hold up both hands, they have 10 fingers. Now show another 3 fingers to indicate 13. So let's do it again. 10, 3. So, and then they should repeat this from 11 through 19. 10, and then one more finger. Both hands, 10, then 2 fingers. That's 12. So get them to have an experimental knowledge of what the number 11 all the way through 13 means through experience, through use of their fingers. All right. So here, number 1, count the objects in the group and write how many. So you just need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you write how many. How many? 12. Let's do the next one. Next one says, count the objects in the group and write how many. So, number 2, count the objects in the group and write how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. All right. If I go too fast, you can rewind and do it again. All right, let's go to number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Circle the numeral. Numeral 16. So, what's the first number? 6. What's the second number? 16. What's the third number? 19. Are we asked to circle number 6 or number 19? No, we're asked to circle number 16. You got it. So you circle number 16. All right, let's go to number 4. Circle the numeral 13. So the first number is 13. The second is 14. The third number is 18. So it's 13 they asked us to circle. All right, let's see. Number 5, draw 11 circles in the box. So you just need to draw 11 circles. 11 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, I think that's it. Let's see the other side. Let's take a look at the other side of the paper. The other side of the paper says, all right, how many more? Is there any directions? No, you just need to read it. So the first row has 1, 2, 3. Let's see what the second row has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what that means is that there's 3 on this first row, and there's 5 in this second row. So what this means is that there are 2 more, 1, 2 spaces there. That means that there are on 5, second row has 2 more than the first row. The second row has 5 pictures of the sun. The first row only have 3. So there are 2 more pictures, 1, 2, in row 2 than in row 1. Let's go to, so this is just more like, you got nothing to do, you just kind of mentally work in your mind about it. Right, how many more does the bottom row have? The bottom row has 2 more, that's correct. All right, let's go look at here. Let's count them, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first row has 6. 6. How about the second row? Let's take a look. Let's count them. Second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row has 5. So how many more does the top row have? The top row has 1 more because the top row has 6, the bottom row has 5. So the top row, the first row, has 1 more than the bottom row. Let's take a look at the back of this page. Probably have to, there's nothing for me to talk to you about. You just work something with your family, I believe. Let's take a look. All right, the back of this. All right, it's a bumblebee beehive game. So you would need 1 2-color counter, a red dot, 10 tiles, blue tiles. Okay, you can make it up. You don't have to have, you just have something similar. You could have 10 pencils. You could have 1 penny. All right. Number of players, 2 to 4. How to play? 1, put a tile on each beehive. 2, take turns. Flip the counter. If you get red, lose a turn. So if you use a quarter or a penny, heads, you lose a turn. Tail, you gain a turn. So you could always modify whatever you have at home. If you get a yellow, take a tile off 1 beehive. Say the number. So if you get a head, you take a tile off 1 beehive, say the number. Play until no tiles are left on the hives. The player with the most tiles wins. So you pencils, the player with the most pencils wins. Okay? You play that game, math game, with your parents. Best wishes. Take a picture, upload it, just mainly the first picture, the front.